Tired of being on camera for every video? Imagine having a digital presenter that speaks, gestures, and highlights your content automatically, all without showing your face. Welcome to FocuSee 2.0's AI Avatar. The AI virtual presenter allows you to create a digital avatar that presents your content professionally. Customize gestures, expressions, and sync with narration effortlessly to make your videos look polished and engaging. First, select your avatar from the library. Choose whether to use it alongside your webcam or replace the webcam entirely. Then, either import your script or record live narration. The AI will mimic your speech and gestures automatically. Here's a live demo. The AI virtual presenter highlights screen content, gestures naturally, and follows narration seamlessly. You can record tutorials, presentations, or online lessons without ever showing your face. Customize your avatar's gestures and expressions to make your videos more engaging. Adjust hand movements, facial expressions, and emphasis gestures to match your narration style perfectly. Using the AI virtual presenter helps you maintain privacy, deliver professional quality videos, save time by automating gestures, and keep your audience engaged with a lifelike digital avatar that moves and reacts naturally as you speak. Here's a practical example: a software tutorial. Notice how the AI avatar highlights the interface while gesturing naturally and syncing with narration, making the tutorial clear, dynamic, and easy to follow. For best results, choose an avatar style that matches your brand. Keep narration clear, and use gesture customization to emphasize key points. Combine it with FocuSee's smart cursor and subtitles for maximum impact. The AI virtual presenter in FocuSee 2.0 makes your videos professional, engaging, and time-efficient. Whether you're creating tutorials, online lessons, or product demos, it helps you look confident, polished, and consistent without needing to be on camera. Try FocuSee 2.0 today and elevate your presentations with a smart digital avatar that works perfectly in sync with your narration.